Alright YouTubers, here we have this Fanimation air shadow. I actually had to do some work on this fan. It actually had a bad capacitor. The 3 microfarad running capacitor had failed. For those of you wondering, the capacitor is kept right here. So, change it out from a 3 microfarad. And it works good as new. The only thing this fan's missing is the remote control, but I'm using it on a wall control, so it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and go to low speed on the 3 amp control. It's pretty neat. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or sell it. Definitely a more unique ceiling fan. Gets up to speed a little bit, and then there you go. Low speed on the control doesn't really move air, but looks kind of neat. Actually, it does move a little bit of air. There's the mechanism. Interesting enough, these are actually copied off of an antique that uses the same method of blades. Let's go ahead, we're just going to go straight to high now. The fan only ran about the same speed as low when I first got it, so the cap had definitely failed. Brand new 3 microfarad cap in it. Definitely moves a lot more air. I'll give you another idea how that the cap failed. It looks like, or not to look at it, but the old cap is drawing 0.3, so drawing almost nothing. It looked like very well balanced. Yeah, interesting fan. Let's see what the current rating is running at now. It's hard to see. Let me turn this light on. What are we drawing? 0.48, is that right? Oh, 0.48, yeah. Sorry with that. Actually, the light makes the video a little better. So yeah, it's a good running fan. Can't complain for what I got it for. Still kind of deciding if I want to keep it or sell it. So yeah. So let's go ahead and do spin down. This is a kind of cool version that doesn't have the light on the bottom. You can add a light though. The silver thing on the bottom comes off, and you can add any kind of light kit to the bottom of it. So that's kind of neat. Basically, industrial motor with these spring blades attached to the top of it. I believe it's a 44-inch fan, so it's not too big. Definitely kind of a unique design though. It takes it a while for it to close. If it loses all that momentum, it will close. There it goes. So that's kind of unique. I like the silver. If I was going to keep this fan, I might paint the blades black. Just because black and silver and or chrome is cool. Looks like someone put the blade screws, they have the nuts facing down. Which I'm pretty sure the nuts should be facing up. Let me see. I'll spin on to stop. Yeah. Looks like these should be facing down, I would think. Still very cool. It's quite the spring. So yeah. And then I don't think these actually have a label on them. Nope, just have another Fanimation. Alright guys, thanks for watching.